Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to McCreary's Outlaw Airsoft. Today we have a very special video for you. We will be unboxing a G&G Armament Combat Machine Raider CQB AEG Airsoft Rifle. It's going to be amazing. So please, do us a favor, grab your favorite beverage and snack, kick back, and enjoy the show. Alright, now for the fun part. Let's unbox this sucker. Alright, here we go. We're pretty well open here. So some of you might know that G&G is a pretty well-respected airsoft rifle company. I personally haven't shot a lot of airsoft rifles, and this is my first airsoft rifle. So I'm pretty excited about this unboxing. Let's see what all we got. Alright, so the battery, very good. We bought ourselves some BBs to go with it. I believe they're 25 gram BBs, so that's good. Also, we want to give a shout out to our friends at Evike. They're the ones that sent us this rifle, and we are very grateful for that. So what do we got here? This must be the charger. Very good. Alright, get rid of that guy. Here we go. Can you see that alright? Very good. So we got the G&G Armament Airsoft Rifle, the Combat Raider. Let's see, how do we open this guy? And if any of you guys out there have one of these rifles, please let us know in the comment section what you think. I'm sure there are a lot more people like myself that don't have airsoft rifles that would be very interested in knowing what your opinion is. So they sent us in the package from from G&G Armament some more BBs. These ones are actually 20 gram BBs, so they're a little lighter. We got all our booklets. Ooh. Magazine. Very good. Strong magazine. I think it's some sort of metal. Oh, and here she is, ladies and gentlemen. The G&G Combat Machine Raider CQB, which stands for Close Quarters Combat. Look at that. Extendable stock. Got the open iron sights there. Got all the rails. Very nice. End cap here. Very nice. Let's see what she looks like with the magazine. Ooh, that clicks in very, very nicely. Can you hear that? That's solid. Stock moves a little bit, but other than that, she's good to go. All right, tell me, folks, what do you think about this guy? Looks good, doesn't it? All right. All right, so now that we've got her unboxed, we're gonna plug it in, give it a little bit of charge, and we're gonna test it out at our indoor shooting range. So stay with us and we'll see how this baby performs. Thanks for sticking around for the unboxing. All right, here we are in the indoor shooting range. We're gonna test this baby out. Let's load her up. It's gonna be fun. All right. Here we go. Gonna go semi-auto. Shooting for the center. Let's go ahead. Center. Alright, let's try full auto. Load her up a little bit. Full auto. I think it works really good. As far as I can tell, it's maybe shooting a little right, but man, it really shoots good right out of the box. It's a fantastic little AEG rifle. All right, our next step is we're gonna go to the outdoor shooting range. We're gonna test it out there, and the owner of McCreary Outlaw Airsoft will be joining us, Mr. Ryan McCreary. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for joining. Howdy folks, this is Cordell Ross with McCreary Outlaw Airsoft. We're here at the outdoor range at the McCreary Outlaw Airsoft Garage, and we're just waiting for Mr. Ryan McCreary, the owner of McCreary Outlaw Airsoft, to come and give us a show and see just how well this new G&G combat machine rifle works out. Take a look. Oh yeah. We got a great thing going here. What? Somebody just shot down range. What the deuce was that? I wonder what the dealio is. Well, anyway, we're just killing some time waiting for Ryan. He's running a little bit late. So you all know, we are currently testing out a G&G combat machine 16-inch close quarters combat rifle. It's an AEG, and it's, oh, what's this? Mr. Ryan McCreary himself, the owner of McCreary Outlaw Airsoft. Say hello to the fans, Ryan.
Howdy, y'all.
All right, well, we're all here, ready to go. Mr. Ryan hanging out in his ghillie suit, sneaking up on us. All right, well, let's get going and test out this new rifle. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now that we're all ready to go, I want to introduce you again to Ryan McCreary. He's the owner of McCreary Outlaw Airsoft. He's going to be demonstrating for you today just how well this machine works on the outdoor range. I hope you enjoy. He'll be shooting a few single shots, and then he'll progress to full auto. And I do want to mention we have made a few alterations for the eagle-eyed viewers out there. We did spray paint the orange tip to make it look a little more realistic. We don't recommend doing that, but we did it because we personally like it. So I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration by Mr. Ryan. Thank you very much again for tuning in, and enjoy the show. ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for sticking along this far. We're on our last leg of our little adventure here. We're going to test out this rifle in the real world. We're going to see if we can bag ourselves some game. Ryan's going to be the shooter, and I'm going to film, and we're going to see if we can bring home any meat. Here we go. All right, Ryan, when you've got the shot, take it. Nice. Tagged it. Drilled that baby. All right, let's go get her. All right, everybody, we've tested out the G&G Combat Machine Airsoft Rifle, and quite frankly, it did pretty well. It shot super good, both single fire and full auto. It shot good on the indoor range, the outdoor range, and in the field. Quite frankly, it being my first airsoft rifle, I think it's really great. But I'm not the expert. Mr. Ryan McCreary here is. So Ryan, what did you think of the rifle?
I liked it.
You liked it? Very good. Did it shoot good?
Yes, sir. How did you like it, Cordell?
Oh, I really enjoyed it. I thought it was a good shooting little rifle. All right, well, thanks everybody for following us on this little adventure, our little unboxing video. We hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for any future videos from McCreary Outlaw Airsoft. Have a good day, everyone.